Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to change difficulty in Block Blast. So first, let's open up the game. And when you open the game, you will see that there are two modes, Adventure and Classic. And when you play the Classic mode, guys, there are no difficulty levels. It's giving you different blocks and you are putting them in the empty board. There are no any difficulty levels. But if you go back to the menu and play adventure mode, you can see that there are a lot of levels. And when you are going through these different levels, more difficult it's going to become, guys. So let's start. For example, this is level 1. And when you complete the level 1, then there will be level 2, which will be more difficult than level 1, and etc., guys. So that's how we can change difficulty levels in Block Blast game. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.